Hey, Foodie Bays. Thanks for tuning in as Antoine DeMarcus sits down for a quick discussion with LaKeisha Bennett-Jackson of Shaped by God's Hands Meal Prep. Tune in as she gives details on the meal she prepared for the show and gives some meal planning advice.
Spilling all tea. What's up, friends? Spill it on me. Let's eat. Dinner's on me. What it's gonna be? I love a good kiki. We can talk ish, but first you gotta feed me. How you talking with your mouth full? Let's bring the vibe out more. We young and we outgoing. If it's going down, we gotta know it. And you know we lit. So how it started, never how it's going.
Foodies.
Foodies.
With the T.
I love a good kiki.
Foodies.
Foodies.
With the T.
I love a good kiki.
Foodies.
Foodies.
With the T.
I love a good kiki.
Foodies.
Foodies.
With the
We
T.
can talk ish, but first you gotta feed me.
Foodies.
Foodies.
With the T. Foodies.
Foodies.
With the T.
T.
Foodies.
Hey foodies, thank you for joining in. We're sitting in with our chef for today, LaKeisha Bennett-Jackson. Yes, and she does meal preps. When I tell you guys it's very delicious, this is what she did for us today. With her company, the name of it, help me out, baby.
Shaped by God's hand.
Yes, come on. What made you pick that name?
A lot of people are out here portraying to have done the work to lose weight, and they're not. They're actually getting shaped
Right.
by man's hand instead
Period.
of being shaped by God's hand.
God, okay,
And if
okay.
you put in the work and the determination, you can easily assist what God has already done.
Got you. So you're saying as in the things that God made,
Right.
fruits and vegetables, just food, period,
Right. And your body as well.
and eating right
Right.
get you the weight loss.
Right.
Okay.
And typically, if it's not tasty, you won't eat it.
Period.
So I
Listen,
decided that
never.
I tried all these fad diets, and I tried all these things, and you'll lose a few pounds,
Mhm.
and then if you go back to your regular diet, you gain it right back. Well, I've noticed that when I prep my meals, I season my meals that I prep.
Mhm.
I will eat them. I won't not want to eat them, and it's a lifestyle change. It's something that you won't want to revert back from.
So you started this just doing your
For
regular meal.
myself, yeah.
Okay, come on.
Yeah.
Girl, I didn't know that. I've been knowing this girl for so long. I didn't know all that.
Yeah.
Now I know she can cook. I'm still waiting on my dressing. But that's another Thanksgiving episode. We're going to put a pin in that. Yes. So, okay, did you want to talk about the food truck as well? Or
We can do that.
she got a food truck, y'all. When I tell you them smoked wings is the bomb. Which kind I get? The
sizzling sweet. It's a barbecue sauce that I make.
period. And it's still healthy because it's smoked,
Right.
right? Okay, yeah. That's what I get. I might not eat the fries,
Right.
but that meat,
Right.
another episode. So what did you cook for us today?
So today I just did some stuffed peppers, some
Okay.
stuffed bell peppers. I used ground turkey instead of beef. A lot of people don't use ground turkey because they don't know how to season it. But if you
And it's
season it,
leaner, like
it's
more healthier.
It's
Yeah.
lean. It's less fat. But it's better for you. Turkey is better for your digestive system than beef. That's why I decided to use turkey. So it has turkey, rice, a little pico, and a serving of cheese on top.
She loves her pico. You
It
hear
makes
me?
a difference. It makes a difference. It adds flavor. I mean,
Yeah.
if it doesn't have flavor, you don't want to eat it.
Yeah.
And then we did some roasted potatoes and some asparagus.
Ooh, okay.
Mm-hmm.
So how long would it typically take you to prep this meal?
It doesn't take long, probably 30 minutes. You brown your beef while you're browning your turkey. While you're browning your turkey, you can have your rice boiling.
Mhm.
You can have your bell peppers prepped. Stick them in the oven for about 10 minutes prior to. Take them out. Mix the turkey and the rice and whatever else you want, other vegetables if you want. Stuff them. Put your little cheese on top. stick it in the oven for about 20 more minutes, and that's it.
So the key to meal prepping really is time management.
Time management. I do weigh everybody's food. I will do a special diet if you want to do macros, but for the normal cost or normal rate, there I don't do macros. I just make sure you have your veggies, your protein, and your starch.
Okay.
A healthy starch.
So you have to have that
in order to
within
survive.
each meal, or just really.
I mean, so on a regular basis, you want to have starch, you want to have fat, you want to have protein on a regular basis. I do have some people that are bodybuilders, and they just do basically veggies and protein.
And so that's what I was about to ask about, particularly the starches. Because we're talking about healthy eating.
Right.
I've always heard like starch is kind of bad for you.
No.
Is that the case?
You still need sugar. Your brain functions off of starch.
Okay.
So you still need to eat food that's for your body.
Starch. Okay. It is starch too, but I'm guessing particularly the carbs.
It's carbs and starch. That's the same.
That's
thing.
still the same. Okay. Cool.
Yeah, it's still the same thing. As far as what I choose, usually people like rice. Usually people love potatoes. And then if you have a serving, then you're fine.
Gotcha.
You just don't overdo it. And over time, you will shrink your stomach and trick your mind into thinking, you know what I'm saying? Since it's so good, this good, I'm not eating healthy, but in actuality, you are.
And then still
you start losing weight.
Those smaller portions. Gotcha.
Yeah.
Okay. Yes. Okay. So tell the people how they can get in touch with you.
You can follow me on Facebook. Well, my name is LaKeisha Bennett-Jackson. That's LaKeisha Bennett-Jackson. And I'm on Instagram at Shape by God's Hands. That's SHAPEDBYGODSHAND. You can text me at 205-541-0725 if you would like the menu for the week.
Thank you so much, LaKeisha, and thank you to Antoine DeMarcus for that interview. Here's that beautiful stuffed pepper meal that she prepared for us on the show. You'll also see a few of the other meal options available with Shaped by God's Hands Meal Prep. Don't forget to text MENU to 205-541-0725 for the weekly menu. As always, thank you for tuning in to the Foodies channel, and make sure that you subscribe, like, comment, and share.